differentials. For these Hampshire pigs, corn represents the single largest input cost. That's why fluctuations in the corn market are shipped across the ocean. This South American grain will feed millions of wild boars, highlighting the complexity of our interconnected world.
Get me 50,000 at the new price, right now! Oh! It's moving too fast, hold the line. Oh! We have confirmation on the surge.
Our current inventory levels won't sustain this price point for long.
We have to pull from the buffer stock immediately, regardless of the cost.
Get me the Q4 projections. The normalized difference vegetation index is dropping sharply here in the Midwest.
The drought is accelerating faster than projected.
The wind is picking up around noon. We need to start before then. Agreed. The radar shows the front moving faster than expected. The Q3 prices are spiking. If we don't lock in the vessels for Asia today, we're exposed.
I understand, but the Brazilian exports just went up another 5%.
How can one grain of corn decide the price of pork?
Looks clear up ahead. Keep it steady. We're almost through this section.
Moisture reading is stable at 14.2%. Good. I'm seeing a few damaged kernels here that the optical sorter missed.
This drought changes everything. We have to hedge immediately.
At these prices, the basis risk could bankrupt the division. We don't have a choice. The forecast just deteriorated.
The prices are unacceptable, but the silos are almost empty. We need whatever you can get us by Tuesday.
All right, the documentation is all set. You can proceed to pit 4.
Sounds good, thanks. Looks clear here, but watch the pinch point. Got it. The sensor alignment is off slightly.
All clear from the loading bay. Train 620, you are authorized for departure. Over.
The storm system has shifted south. We need to maintain this heading for the next 4 hours.
Confirmed, Captain. All parameters are stable.
Moisture is reading high on this batch. Aflatoxin screen is clear though. Still, the broken kernel count is excessive. We should reject the shipment.
Through computer-controlled blending, Every batch meets the strictest nutritional standards. Under extreme pressure, the mixed mash is forced through the die. The friction generates intense heat.
Assign this one to the Harper's Farm route. They are running low. No.
Okay, but the software suggests optimizing the eastern farms first.
Dispatch to farm manager. We are approaching Junction 7. Advise immediate clearance. The silos are showing critical levels.
Every increase in corn prices has now become a real cost inside the farm.
Automated systems deliver precise nutrition to thousands of market-weight hogs, while AI cameras continuously track their progress.
Jumped again. We're looking at a 20% increase.
Okay, start the revised projections. I need to discuss the futures contract immediately.
Corn prices are up another 20% this quarter.
We need to adjust the forecast immediately. We can't sustain these margins.
The price changed long before the pigs took their first bite.
The rising corn prices are critical. Our exposure in Brazil is simply too high.
But the dashboard shows the U.S. exports stabilized.
We're seeing resistance at 6.75, John. The shipping lanes are congested. Understood. We'll take the risk. Done at 6.80 for the 50,000. Send the contract.
We cannot load in these conditions. Reroute the inbound vessels now. I'm moving the Star Horizon to the priority list for tomorrow.
Pacific vessel is delayed again. Inventory will hit critical levels by morning. All right, initiate the diversion from the reserve terminal. Get me a confirmation now.
We're activating the ventilation now to circulate cool air throughout the bins. It's essential for preserving the corn.
As you can see, the spike in the Argentinian futures is alarming.
What's the status of the strategic reserves in the Midwest?
We are monitoring it closely, but prices remain volatile.
Freight rates are spiking. We need to lock in the 50,000 tons at $450 right now. That price is only valid until the bell that we have other buyers.
We can't load in these winds, Captain. Reschedule ETA for Thursday morning. Copy that, still holding.
The delay means a critical shortage by Thursday.
Reroute the reserves from the Athenai terminal. Confirm the diversion now.
If we adjust the moisture content here, we can maintain the runtime.
Okay, I'm inputting the new parameters for the mix. It looks stable.
All right, the certifications are all in order.
Confirmed. You are cleared for entry to the unloading area. Proceed slowly.
Pre-op inspection looks good. We are cleared to start receiving. Verified. All HACCP checks complete. Check the load for Memphis. They're missing 2 pallets of ribs according to this manifest.
Yeah, I caught that. Forklift 3 is grabbing them now.
2 miles. Take exit 24B toward the distribution center. Merge onto the service road, then turn left at the gate.
Watch the expiration dates on that pallet. Got it. Scanning the last case now.
That cut is cheaper per pound.
Yeah, you're right. We'll take this one.
From the supermarket shelf, back through the processing plant, we trace the journey of pork. It all begins here. The volatility in the corn futures makes the current rate unsustainable. We must adjust the escalator clause.
We understand the pressure. These rising feed costs are unsustainable. Elena, explain the Q3 impact.
A 10% rise in feed translates to...
The drought has pushed corn prices up significantly.
This directly impacts the feedlots here and here.
Logistics are already showing major delays across the Pacific routes. We are seeing a noticeable difference in the metabolizable energy at this inclusion level.
Yes, the analyzers confirm the increased density.
The automated system is fully optimized for the new group. And the health metrics look good on the centralized software.
From the fields of the Midwest, across the ocean, to our tables. The journey of our food is a testament to the modern world.
This humble ear of corn connects us all, fueling industries across the globe. A testament to the quiet power of agriculture. This upward trend in corn prices over the last decade is putting significant pressure on the feed costs. And the models aren't fully capturing the volatility in the Asian spot market. The farms continue operating normally for the moment. But the true impact will only appear months later through the global supply chain.
The Gulf storm is causing a major backlog for the corn. We have to reroute vessels 42 through 44. Send them to the...
The current spot price is unacceptable given the shipping timeline. We need immediate allocation or this entire Q3 projection is jeopardized. The inventory management system continuously calculates raw material supplies, ensuring seamless production for the next 85 days.
The corn prices are severely impacting our growth performance metrics here.
Yeah. If we optimize the enzymes, we can maintain the...
The story of this meal, prepared here tonight, actually began months ago in a distant commercial cornfield. Look closely at the seed, for it is the foundation of everything you see. The silent engine driving our modern world, from the soil to the city. A journey spanning thousands of miles, connecting the heartland to the global market. Welcome to the final chapter of our food chain. The drop in pig inventories across Southeast Asia is accelerating.
We have to adjust the feed allocation model for the next 2 quarters. The shipping lanes are already stressed.
The moisture levels are stabilizing on line 3.
Yes, the AI adjusted the flow rate perfectly.
The new feeding schedule is improving the overall health scores.
Yes, and the climate control metrics are stable across all barns.
Ensure the vacuum seal integrity is checked every 30 minutes on this line.
Yes, the logs confirm compliance with HACCP protocols. Every hour, a continuous stream of refrigerated trucks ensures fresh pork reaches supermarkets nationwide, all orchestrated by our advanced logistics system.
Look, this one is already more expensive than yesterday. Yeah, but the organic one has less fat. moisture levels look good across the board.
Prices are strong and the weather window is holding. Let's roll.
The flow rate on conveyor 7 is holding steady at 1,500 tons per hour.
Acknowledged. Keep monitoring the dust suppression levels. The front is holding steady. We should have clear skies into the afternoon. Good. Fuel consumption is optimized for this speed, Captain.
The feed conversion ratio is holding steady.
But look at the inventory levels here at the South Barns. We need to adjust the delivery schedule. Seals on line 3 are secure. Temperature check confirmed. Clear for refrigeration.
实时耕耘确保了我们的冷藏贴 unbroken, delivering packaged pork efficiently across both urban and rural regions.
The journey of pork begins with a single kernel of corn. Here at the complex, imported corn undergoes rigorous grinding and mixing before being precisely pelleted and cooled for bulk storage.
Housing 50,000 pigs requires precision. Automated systems manage the climate and deliver freshly manufactured feed directly to the barns.
So far, the contamination control looks fully compliant. Agreed. The robotic sorting accuracy has significantly improved this quarter. We have a delay on the central route.
Acknowledged. Diverting the shipment now. Make sure the cold chain holds steady at 2 degrees.
This pork shoulder looks perfect for the recipe, yeah.
Yes, it has great marbling. The kids will love it.
You want the last piece of the pork?
I do, Dad. It smells so good.
You really outdid yourself with this recipe.
That one small kernel of corn quietly helps sustain one of the largest food production systems on Earth.